Welcome to Quiz Spreading Islam. Think you know the prophets? Take this quiz and prove it. Let's go. 30 prophet quizzes. Only 1% of Muslims can score full marks on this prophet quiz. Are you one of them? How many prophets mentioned by name in the Quran? "25 prophets. Who is the seal of the prophets in Islam? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Which prophet is called Abu al-Bashar? Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Which prophet is called Abu al-Anbiya? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet first started writing? Prophet Idris alayhi salam. Which prophet is called the second Adam alayhi salam? Prophet Noah alayhi salam. Which prophet was the first to break idols? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet's soul was taken on the fourth heaven? Prophet Idris alayhi salam. Which prophet was thrown into a blazing fire, but remained unharmed? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet's name was given directly by Allah? Prophet Yahya alayhi salam. Subscribe and share with family and friends to spread Islam. How many years did Prophet Noah alayhi salam preach to his people? 950 years. On which mountain did the ark land after Noah's flood? Mount Judy. Which prophet initiated astronomy? Prophet Idris alayhi salam. To which nation was Hazrat Salih alayhi salam sent? People of Thamud. Which prophet initiated the science of arithmetic? Prophet Idris alayhi salam. Which prophet is associated with the invention of the comb? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet is associated with the invention of the soap? Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. Which prophet invented mirror? Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which prophet's wife turned into a pillar of salt? Prophet Lut's wife. Which son of Prophet Noah alayhi salam was a disbeliever? Conan. Subscribe and share with family and friends to spread Islam. The miracle of the she-camel is associated with which prophet? Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. Which prophet broke idols for the first time? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet was the first to circumcise himself and his son? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. The place where Ibrahim alayhi salam intended to sacrifice Ismail alayhi salam. Mina. Which animal was replaced by Allah in place of Prophet Ismail alayhi salam? Ram. Which prophet was beheaded by a king? Prophet Yahya alayhi salam. Which prophet hid behind a tree and was cut in half? Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam. Which prophet was born without a father and performed miracles by Allah's will? Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Which prophet was given the miracle of turn stick into a snake? Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Which prophet was tested with a severe skin disease? Prophet Ayub alayhi salam. Please like this video. Thanks.